Hello, so we're going to take a look at how you can use your cards in Revolut. So at the top right corner, there's a button for that. And here you see all the cards that you have available. You probably should have received your physical credit card, but if you want to create virtual cards, you can do this by tapping the Add New button, and then you'll be able to create a new card with numbers that you can use online. And once you have created the card, you just tap on it and then you tap on the card itself, and then you'll see the numbers that are required for this, such as expiration date and number. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because I would expose my cards, but this is how it works. So you have your physical cards and also your virtual cards, and you can create or freeze cards as you like. For example, you can also create cards that can only be used once, and other cards can be used multiple times. And for each card, you can see how much you have spent with it, which is great because in some instances, you want to split it over multiple categories or even people. And you can create new cards as needed and just tap on the symbol and then tap on the card itself to see the numbers that you can enter online. Obviously, with physical cards, you can just tap it in the store and use that. You can also link your card to Google or Apple Pay, and this allows you to connect the card to a payment system and use it in the store as well. And if your phone has an NFC chip, you just hold your phone next to the payment system and then it gets automatically deducted. It's also important to note that you have to have a balance on your Revolut system, so this can be used to deduct from. And if you go abroad, you generally just can keep using the cards. In some instances, you just have to make sure that you have enough of the currency. But Revolut generally can swap between currencies automatically, so you don't have to worry too much about that. So this is how you use Revolut cards. Wish you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.